In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Shopify bill in just about 5 minutes. Starting off, let's dive into the world of Shopify, a platform that's become the backbone of countless e-commerce businesses around the globe. Whether you've just made your first sale or you're scaling up your operations, staying on top of your Shopify bills is crucial for uninterrupted service and sales. But if terms like billing cycle and payment method have you scratching your head, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you need to navigate to Shopify's website. This is where you'll begin the process of accessing your account. Simply head to www.shopify.com. Once you're there, you're going to see a prompt to log in. Click on the Login button to move forward. Remember, being signed out necessitates this step to access any administrative features or account information, including your billing area. After you click on Login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This is the email you used to set up your Shopify store, so make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any access issues. Next, you'll need to enter your password. After inputting your email and password, clicking on Login will take you directly to the dashboard of your Shopify admin area. This is essentially the control room of your online store. Once you're in, look for the section titled My Store Home. This area gives you a quick snapshot of your store's performance, but also serves as a jumping off point to delve deeper into managing your storefront. Now you're ready to dive into the settings where all the administrative magic happens. Click on Settings. This part of your Shopify admin lets you manage everything from store details to payment providers. Shortly after entering the Settings area, you'll need to find and click on Payments. This is where Shopify lays out all options related to how you receive money from your sales, but also how you'll handle your billing with Shopify. In the Payments section, you'll see an option to choose a provider. This is Shopify's way of asking you how you'd like to handle payments coming into your store, but it's also crucial for setting up how you'll pay your Shopify bills. Next, you'll go through the process of choosing your payment options. Shopify offers a plethora of ways to pay, including major credit cards, PayPal, and various other third-party providers. Take your time to explore the options available in your region and select what best fits your business model. After selecting your preferred payment method, you'll likely see a prompt to install this payment provider. This doesn't necessarily mean downloading software, but rather integrating this payment method with your Shopify store. And just like that, you've navigated the complexities of setting up your Shopify bill payment method. Remember, staying on top of your billing with Shopify ensures that your store remains active, allowing you to focus on growing your business without interruption. A couple of parting tips. Always double check the email and payment information you enter to avoid any issues with account access or missed payments. Additionally, consider setting reminders for your billing dates to ensure you always have sufficient funds or credit available. We've covered quite a bit today, from logging into your Shopify account to setting up your preferred payment method for your Shopify bill. I hope this video helps streamline the process for you and makes managing your Shopify billing just a little bit easier. Remember, efficiently managing the back end of your store is just as important as the amazing products you're selling. Keep tuning in for more tips on how to smoothly run your Shopify store, and here's to your continued success in the world of e-commerce.